Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Himanshu et je suis votre professeur de français comme vous savez. Et dans cette vidéo, je vais vous enseigner euh, sur les verbes être et avoir. Ensuite, c'est parti. My name is Himanshu, and in this video, I'm going to teach you about the verb etre and avoir. Etre and avoir are the most two important verbs in French, and they are irregular verbs also. As you know, in French we have a concept of regular and irregular verbs. Irregular verbs follow a specific ending that I have already taught you. If you don't know, you need to go through to my video where I taught you how the conjugation of regular verbs are done and then how they're used to frame a sentence. But let's get back to etre and avoir. Conjugation of the verb avoir, which means to have in the present tense. Now I would like to mention avoir is used for verbs like have, has and had. Right now, since we are doing for the present tense, so avoir will give meaning has and have only. J'ai means I have. Tu as, you have. Tu is informal for you. In Hindi it is tu. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Now here you is used as a plural, but you also gives आप sense in Hindi. So you, vous is also used as a formal singular for you, and in Hindi it is आप. Ils sont, they have, masculine plural. Elles sont, they have, feminine plural. The next verb is etre, which means to be. Again, it is used for present tense. Etre can be used to replace verbs like is, am, are, was, were. Since it is the present tense, then is, am, are only will be used. Let us do the conjugation of etre for present tense. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Tu, as in Hindi, tu. In English, you, singular, informal. Il est, he is or it is. Elle est, she is or it is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you as a plural, are. Another meaning of vous is Hindi wala आप as a singular. So vous basically gives a formal sense. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are, masculine, like when they are more than one male, then il is used. Elles sont, when there are more than one female, then elle is used. They are, and when there are a mixture of male and female, then again il is used. If you don't know about these subject pronouns, I have made a separate video. You can search about how to use the subject pronouns in French. Now let us frame some sentences and try to understand how these two verbs etre and avoir are used. I have a pen. J'ai un stylo. How this j'ai came? If you go back, I have je and e is replaced by apostrophe, then it became j'ai un stylo. We have a car. Nous avons, because the rule of the French says when the word it ends with a consonant and the next word starts with a vowel, then the first word and the second word both are pronounced together. So that is why it is nous avons une voiture. We have a car. They have a book. Let's go back. They have. Ils sont. We are considering that they are all males, or probably the mixture of male and a female. That's why we are using elle, il. Had it been only female, then we would have used elle. So ils sont un livre. They have a book. She has a dog. Elle a un chien. Elle a un chien. You have a notebook. Vous avez un cahier. Vous avez un cahier. This is a formal expression because vous is used. Tu as un cahier. You have a notebook. In Hindi, तेरे पास एक नोटबुक है. In Hindi, आपके पास एक नोटबुक है. You can. It also gives a meaning in Hindi. आप सभी के पास एक नोटबुक है. That's how. He has a ball. Il a un ballon. Il a un ballon. Now, few sentences using etre verb. She is a girl. Elle est une fille. Elle, consonant and vowel, so est une fille. Elle est une fille. I am a student. Je suis un étudiant. If you pay attention, after this is a consonant and then a vowel, then again consonant n and then vowel e. So that's why pronounced together. Je suis un étudiant. Je suis un étudiant. We are sad. Nous sommes tristes. Nous sommes tristes. You are crazy. Plural. You is used as a plural. Vous êtes fou. Vous êtes fou. You are beautiful. Singular. You. It is vous êtes belle, a formal expression. Or tu es belle. If I translate in Hindi, then आप खूबसूरत हैं, तू खूबसूरत है. Second one. Vous êtes belle, tu es belle. They are intelligent. Ils sont intelligents. Ils sont intelligents. Because T is consonant and I is a vowel, so it's pronounced together. Sont intelligents. Ils sont intelligents. That's all about today. If in case you liked this lecture, please press to the like button and share my videos, or specifically this video, as much as possible. Subscribe to my channel. If you want a personal attention, you can subscribe to my course where I'm teaching French till A2 level as of now. Batches are formed. You can either call me or WhatsApp me on the number provided on the screen. Thank you so much. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Bye bye. Ciao.